So I have this black bifold wallet and I've used it for about a year now, and it always ends up collecting more stuff than I actually need.
So I got this wallet in Bali a long time ago, and it's manta ray skin, which is cool and it feels nice. But there's a bunch of stuff I've been taking around with me I just don't need. And it's just kind of a pain, literally. If I actually sit on this wallet, it lifts up one side of my hips, and that's not good for my body. And I'm trying to reduce things that I carry around to things that actually are useful, and not just to be a pack mule for things I don't need.
This is my current wallet that I'm rocking right now. Really, I'm already kind of a minimalist.
I was the one who would always carry everything, whether it's my scuba diving card, first aid receipts. And one day I saw my buddy. He kind of convinced me that I was carrying way too much stuff in my wallet. Do I even use that stuff or even pull it out? And so he convinced me to transition to a smaller wallet, and I'm gonna go try it out now.
It's the Trayvax Element, all right. Ooh, I already like the aesthetic on it. I like the leather, paracord, and the steel on it. Rfid Protection. This is my first time pulling one of these out of the box, and it is already far and away going to be, I think, my favorite wallet that I've had so far.
I was a cashier at a grocery store, and you see everybody roll up and everybody has to pull out some form of payment. When I saw people with Trayvax wallets, and I was blown away. It looks really nice and it's super functional, and I had to get one.
When I saw my friends, I thought it was like a multi-tool. I didn't even think they made wallets like these. So let me figure out how to loosen it.
It feels good. It feels strong. Can I try to bend it? Is that all right?
Go for it.
No, it is sturdy. Yeah, I feel like I could run over it with a tank. Well, let's see what we can fit in here. All right, definitely gonna need my driver's license and insurance card.
Debit card, travel card.
I have my mast permit and my food workers card.
Movie ticket card? I don't think you're coming with me. Random punch cards. Don't need them.
Yeah, AAA, I'll take that.
Business card. Random receipts. REI receipt from 2017. Why? Why?
7 cards out of 30 cards.
And cash. Cash is king, which my old wallet did not have any room for.
So I got my cards in there, and it's still a low profile. I think it'll be really nice, like biking, a front pocket. Well, I like the outdoors and camping and stuff, so to have these functions like a pry bar and a bottle opener on my wallet where I don't have to bring another item and pack more stuff in and out. So this is gonna be awesome. It looks 20 times better than this black wallet. Looking back at this now, it's like a complete upgrade for me. This is plain, simple, and boring, and this is new, cutting edge, practical, and more my style. I would be proud to pull this out of my pocket, and everyone has a standard black wallet. There's nothing special about this.
It's gonna pick up the scuffs and the stories and hold on to the travels I may make and the places I may go. But it's not plastic, it's not gonna break down. It's just gonna get better and look cooler with age. This is probably the last wallet I'm ever gonna have to buy.
People are counting on things wearing out so they can sell you the new one. Whereas Trayvax, it seems that these are really built, 65-year warranty, that's gonna last for at least 65 years. I'm gonna have this, I'll probably pass this down to my kids.